Alright, what is up, guys? So, I'm kind of sick, but Paul just got a Fiat 124 Spider, so I'm going to go help him work on that, and we're going to change the oil today, and I will see you guys there. I drove this here rental Mustang over to AutoZone, kind of beat the crap out of it, and did some 0 to 60 pulls. So, this here is the Fiat 124. And right now we're getting some jack stands and whatnot, and we're about to show you guys how to change the oil. Step number 1, get the jack stand. Step number 1, warm up your car. Step number 2, locate your jack points.
Right here, looks good. Yeah.
So, well, the front sump, or it's a front sump oil pan right here.
Oh,
so
yeah, I see the screw.
Yeah, we don't even really need to jack it up.
Okay, we could just for fun.
Yeah, that's more work. Let's just get the oil pan over here. We'll change it real quick.
Alright, let's do it.
Yep, oil pan. Oh, maybe we do need to jack it up. That way. Okay. Go up.
Good?
Beautiful. Cool. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Now let the oil drain. Typically the oil filter should be hand tight, so let's test that theory. Oh wow. Okay. Cool. So that's loose, and then we'll let that finish draining really quickly. And then I'll come back in a minute and take off the oil filter. The great moment is when you see the last few little drips. Alright, I'm gonna take off the oil filter. Oh, fuck. No, oh, shit. Why is that so fucking... That was not supposed to happen. Shit. Hey, Paul? Fuck. John. Shit. Dang it. Not okay. Protecting the hands this time. So I guess keep pressure against it so it does not do that. Actually, haven't had that happen to me before, so it was kind of strange. Ugh. Gross. I'm gonna plug up the bottom there, and then we're gonna get some oil back in this thing. And whenever you tighten something, you want to get tight and then just snug. So just real quick, and then so that should be good. Alright, so whenever you put the new oil filter back in, you want to dip your finger in oil and kind of rub it around the O-ring. That way when you put it back in, there's no friction. And also make sure the O-ring comes off the previous filter as well. Okay. Cool. Make sure the other guy's off.
How we doing, mechanics?
Engine oil.
How come you're not using a bit?
There is one, but I mean,
What is that?
it's low enough to where we have access to it.
It's lifted a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Huh? Bring it down.
Thanks, Pico.
Enjoy, it's delicious.
Cool.
Thanks.
So that should be good. And then just put in oil.
doing?
Or how many liters of oil are in this bitch? It only says 800 on the side, but it's higher than 800.
I don't fucking know.
Oh, 946.
Nice.
Okay.
Don't include that in their video.
Oh, I will. Everything is.
Oh no.
Oh, do you have a funnel?
Yeah, I do. The funnel's a little tiny bit dirty. You might want to be careful of that. Should we rinse? You can include that in your video. Say it's always important to make sure your oil thing is clean.
You hear that, people? It's always important to make sure your funnel thing is clean. So the game plan with this car here is pretty much actually taking it to the body shop today. Gonna paint it Ferrari red. So hopefully that will be pretty damn sick. See, the dash needs to be readjusted. Actually need a new dash in general. New shift knobs. I mean, is that thing ugly or what? So egg-shaped and weird. Gotta fix the top. Eat some sunflower seeds. Hey, a $1 bill. And change the oil. Then we're gonna get some new Willwood brakes. Hopefully we'll do that once it comes back from the body shop. And that'll be cool. Alrighty. Poe has cleaned it.
Poe Damery.
There we go.
Oh, come on, no!
Now it has 800 milliliters.
There you go.
Probably.
Sop that up. I got one.
You need more than one.
Oh my gosh, I'm such a klutz.
Shit, man. Okay, pour the oil in.
Oh, my parents are gonna love this. Woohoo!
Every last drop. Good enough. Good enough. That counts. I'm gonna make sure Paul doesn't knock over this one.
Oh my gosh. Because they've already given me shit like, make sure that if you're working on your cars out there, you don't mess up our blacktop. Okay, I won't. Oil's so pretty.
Okay, so we'll call that good. Then we'll get El Sticko de Dippo and check the oil level.
What?
Not bad. Not bad at all. So now we're going to warm up the car. Make sure this bowl of oatmeal / banana doesn't fall out. I don't know. Come on, Paul, you can do it.
I got this.
He's got it. No knocking, no sounds. Purring like a kitten. I think we did a great job. Poe, give it a bit of gas for the people. Oh yeah. Okay, calm down. Calm down.
Okay. Oh, do you reconnect the electric fans?
We'll do that before we leave.
Let's do it, because we gotta go.
What time is it?
11:09.
Ooh, okay.
Alright people, thank you for watching.
Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe. I'm going to be working a lot with Paul because he just got, well, he got the Fiat, he's got a Mustang coming back from the shop. I think we're picking it up tomorrow. So that should be cool, and we just have a huge list of projects planned out, and hopefully you guys can join us for that. So, thanks, and I will see you guys next time. Later.